Merium Pervaiz Weight Loss Kehva. Does it really work? Honest reviews. Ingredients: fennel 2 tablespoons, Carom 2 tablespoons, cumin 2 tablespoons, 1 lemon, peel, ginger 1 inch piece. Wash the lemon and ginger well and dry them with a tissue paper. Now separate the lemon peel. We have to use lemon peel only. Finely chop the ginger along with the peel and cut into small pieces. Cut the lemon peels into small pieces. Now take a clean tissue paper. Spread the finely chopped pieces of ginger and lemon on the tissue paper. Let it dry well for 1 to 2 days. After 2 days, the ginger and lemon peels are well dried. Take an airtight jar. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of fennel. Add 2 tablespoons of celery. Add dried ginger. Add dried lemon peels. Mix all the ingredients well. Your weight loss kehva is ready. Let's make it now. How to make weight loss kehva. Pour half a cup of water in the pan. Add half a teaspoon of kehva. Mix it well with a spoon so that the effect of all the ingredients comes into one kehva. Use after 1 to 2 boils. Strain the kehva now. Your weight loss kehva is ready. How to use. 1. Use twice a day every day. 2. Half an hour before breakfast. 3. Half an hour after dinner. Try to have dinner between 8 o'clock and 8:30 p.m. and do not eat anything after that. Some instructions. Tip 1. Do at least 20 minutes of walking or exercise every day. Tip 2. Eating is always a little less than your appetite. Tip 3. 1. Use twice a day every day. 2. Half an hour before breakfast. 3. Half an hour after dinner. Try to have dinner between 8 o'clock and 8:30 p.m. and do not eat anything after that. Tip 4. Be sure to compare your weight before using kehva and 10 days after using it. Tip 5. All day you have to keep active. Do not eat and lie down. Drink kehva and lie down. Tip 6. Continue drinking for as long as you want to lose weight. If you are using this kehva in summer, take a break after a month for a few days. Pregnant women can use it after their pregnancy. Do not use during pregnancy.
Thank you for watching. For more videos keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.